Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work a Voyage drone. First, let's get your drone ready for its maiden flight. Begin by carefully unpacking all components from the box. Next, ensure both the drone's battery and the remote controller are fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Then, securely attach the 4 propellers to their designated motor shafts. Finally, download and install the Voyage drone application on your smartphone or tablet, connecting it to your drone via Wi-Fi for seamless control. Before every flight, a few crucial checks ensure safety and optimal performance. Start with a thorough visual inspection, looking for any signs of damage or loose parts. Make sure the camera lens is perfectly clean for crisp footage. Next, it's vital to calibrate the drone's compass and gyroscope. This usually involves a simple rotation sequence. Finally, confirm you have a strong GPS signal, indicated by at least 7 satellites, for stable hovering and accurate positioning during your flight. Now let's get airborne. Familiarize yourself with the remote controller's joysticks. Typically, the left stick controls altitude and rotation, while the right stick manages forward, backward, and side-to-side movement. Begin by practicing gentle takeoffs and smooth landings in a wide-open, safe area. Focus on maintaining a steady hover and making small, controlled adjustments. Remember to use the one-key return-to-home feature if you ever feel disoriented, bringing your drone safely back to its starting point. Once you're comfortable with basic flight, explore the Voyage drone's advanced features. Experiment with intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, which keeps the drone tracking you, or waypoint navigation, allowing you to pre-plan a flight path. Adjust camera settings like resolution and frame rate for stunning aerial photography and videography. For longevity, regularly clean your drone, inspecting propellers and motors for wear. Always store your drone and its batteries in a cool, dry place, ensuring the batteries are at about 50% charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.